Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Guru. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button.
Friends, welcome to my Python series. In this video, we will learn how to install Python on your computer. As I told you earlier that you cannot install Python 3.9 version on Windows 7 or its earlier operating systems. So today we will learn how to install Python 3.9 on Windows 10. So let's see the steps. So friends, first of all, you have to download the Python 3.9 software on your computer. To download this software, click on Google Chrome. In the address bar, we will type www.python.org. Friends, this is the official website of Python. Press enter. You will get this screen. In my last video, I told you that Python is open source and it is freeware. Freeware means you can download Python software on your laptop and you can use it without any license. You don't have to pay for it. This is the official website of Python. To download Python, go to Downloads option. Here you will get a button to download Python 3.9 for Windows. Click on it. Friends, when I click on it, Python software has started downloading. Once it's downloaded, now we have to install the software. So I click here, Show in folder. This is the software that I have just downloaded. Now I have to install this. So simply double click on the software. You will get this screen. You will get two options here. One is install now and second is customize. From these two options we will choose install now. And here you can see two options. Install launcher for all users and second is add Python 3.9 to path. So friends, I suggest you to tick on this because in future when you run Python commands from the command prompt that it will help you. Otherwise you have to set the path yourself. So it would be better that you click on this. Then click on install now because we are not changing any other setting. You will get this screen. Click on yes button. Installation has started. Friends, after installation you will get a screen like this. Setup was successful. So now click on the close button. So friends, now I have installed Python on my computer. But still, I have not found any option on the desktop. So how to run Python scripts on my computer? So friends, to run Python on your computer, you need an IDE. IDE is Integrated Development Environment. When we install Python 3.9, we get a default environment to run Python scripts on our computer. So to run Python script, what you have to do? Simply click on the start button and type IDLE. See, IDLE, that is available to your computer now. By using this option, you can run your Python scripts. I click on it. Friends, this is the screen where you can type your Python scripts. Friends, to print a message on Python screen, we use a function print. So friends, I used a function print, then I started round bracket. Within double quotes, I have given a message, then I closed my double quotes and I closed the bracket. Now I will press enter. See, this is the output. So it means my Python is working. Friends, in this Python shell, you can run Python commands one by one. For example, I can print a message hello Then I print a second message. It means here I can run one line at a time. What if I want to make a program that is having more than one line? There is one more option. See it? I go to File. There is one option, New File. Click on that. Just see. One untitled window has been opened in front of you. Here you can type your Python commands. So friends, see, in this new window I have typed 3 lines. Print message 1, print message 2, print message 3. You can give any message here. Now I have to save my file. So I go to File, Save. So friends, see, by default my Python file is saving in the same folder where Python has been installed. So I give one name. I said first. Then I click on Save. Friends, remember, every Python file is saved with the extension py. If I don't specify extension here, I directly click on Save button. Still my computer will add py because save as type is Python file. So I click on Save. My Python file has been saved. Friends, see, after saving my file, I got its name as first.py and its location is also visible here. Alright. So in this way, we can create our Python file and save it. But how to run it? To run the Python file, go to Run option and then Run module. As you can see, there is one shortcut to run the Python file, F5. So I can run Python file by clicking here also, and I can press F5 also. Look, I got the output. So friends, there is one thing that you have to take care of. You created file here, you run this file from here, but output will be available on the Python shell. Friends, I made some changes in my file. So I got a star here. It means my file is not saved yet. So from the file, click on Save, or simply you can press Ctrl+S. Then run the module by using F5. So I press F5 in this file and I will get the output on my Python shell. Alright, so I hope it is clear. If you want to create a new file, go to File, New File. See, you got a new screen. Friends, I want to tell you one more thing, that you can run Python scripts from the command prompt also. Click on Start, CMD. You will get command prompt. Here, I am going to write only Python. Friends, see, I typed Python on my screen and I got this output. I got this output because I have already set the path. If you remember, at the time of installation, I ticked on the box Set Path. Alright, now we can run any Python command here. Just see, I have typed my print command and I press enter. And I got the output. Friends, when you type Python and you get these 3 arrows, it is an indicator that whatever command you are going to type here will be a Python command, will be executed by Python interpreter. So friends, if you want to move out from Python, use the exit function. Exit. Just see. Now we are out from the Python. If I use the same command here, what will happen? I got this message because now this command is not considered as a Python command because I am not in Python. Friends, if you want to check the version of Python that is installed on your computer, you can use this option. Just see, Python 3.9.0. It means this particular version is installed on your computer. So friends, that's it for our today's session. In my next video, we will see how to run different commands on Python. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please click on the like, share and subscribe button. Keep watching.